Greetings everyone, today it's Friday the 27th of March 2026. Let's recap on the highlights for the IFP. IFP President Honorable Hlabisa stated that the party will continue to intensify its efforts to grow its presence in provinces outside KwaZulu-Natal, which remains the party's stronghold. Bulawayo was addressing IFP members during the party's 51st anniversary celebration in Petal in Mpumalanga province.
But we'll be calling the people of South Africa throughout the 9 provinces that it is time for the IFP. We are turning 51 years. Yesterday, we turned 51 years yesterday. We are taking the party beyond 50 years to the next centenary celebration, and the IFP is a future, is a home of the people of South Africa, and people of South Africa can trust us because when we make a promise, we keep the promise.
IFP Chairperson in KwaZulu-Natal and Premier of KZN, Honorable Thamsanqa Ntuli, led members of Executive Council MECs to the Herikwala District Municipality for the Operation Sogomasake Cabinet Imbizo in Ward 4 of the Johannes Phumlani Phungula Local Municipality. Community members also raised pressing concerns around water challenges, poor road infrastructure, high levels of crime, limited healthcare services, and other issues. IFP Deputy National Chairperson and MEC for KwaZulu-Natal Department of Agriculture and Rural Development, Honorable Tsembeni Gamadlopa Mthethwa, has successfully concluded vaccinations against foot and mouth disease in the Herikwala district. This achievement marks the completion of vaccinations in the 2nd district. Following Oku, the department is set to shift focus to Umkhanyakude district with a scheduled vaccination campaign from March 30 to April 8. KwaZulu-Natal Department of Cocta, under leadership of MEC, IFP's Honorable Reverend Thulasizwe Buthelezi, has handed over brand new vehicles to Amakhosi to empower them to serve and reach people with ease. These vehicles were handed over during the opening of the KwaZulu-Natal Provincial House of Traditional and Khoisan Leaders, presided by His Majesty King Misuzulu Kazwelithini in Olondi. The Premier of KwaZulu-Natal, Honorable Thamsanqa Ntuli, also participated in the proceedings. Honorable Buthelezi believes that the handover of these vehicles represents a powerful commitment to the institution of traditional leadership within KwaZulu-Natal. Let's check what is happening in IFP-led municipalities. The IFP-led Zululand District Municipality, under the leadership of Honorable Mayor Councillor Michael Khumalo, in partnership with the Mayor of Abaqolosi Local Municipality, IFP's Honorable Councillor Sifiso Mkhwanazi, officially handed over a sanitation project in Abaqolosi Local Municipality. The first phase of the project will benefit residents in wards 4, 12, 15 and 17. A contractor has been appointed for the project, which is valued at approximately 29 million rand. And finally, the IFP-led Umhlabuyalingana Local Municipality, under the leadership of Councillor Thembinkosi Khumalo, led a team from Eskom to Enkovukeni for the installation of solar panels. These solar panels will assist 54 families by providing access to electricity, enabling them to have lighting, use refrigerators, and watch television. Until next time, Sethembe, sisebenzela wena.